Hi, I'm meteorologist Chris Tomer. This is your midday weather update. We've got a snowstorm on our hands for sure. We're seeing totals of anywhere from 4 to 8 inches across the Front Range. Heavier amounts certainly up in the foothills. And as far as grand totals go, I'm going to use the prop again. So here we go. For the metro all the way up to Fort Collins, about 5 inches. If you're in the south and west suburbs, you can expect 6 to 8 inches of total snow by dinner time tonight. And if you're in the foothills, you're going to be the big winner, anywhere from 10 to 12 inches. So again, metro area, right around 5 inches or so by the time all is said and done. We're still in the thick of the snow, which should start to taper off at around lunch hour, and then just kind of an off and on snow pattern through the afternoon into the evening. Should quit around 5 or 6 p.m. tonight, and it's going to be a very cold, icy night tonight with some single digits into Friday morning. So again, we've already seen anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow on the ground up and down the Front Range, with a couple of more inches yet to fall. Thanks for tuning in. We'll keep you updated here. Thanks for hanging with us.